In this video, I will show you how to watch live football matches online. First, open any browser on your device and search for official sports streaming services that have broadcasting rights, such as Sky Sports, BT Sport, ESPN, or DAZN. Many of these platforms require a subscription, so make sure you sign up or log in with your account. If you prefer free options, you can also check if your local broadcasters or apps like BBC iPlayer or Edix are streaming the match. Another option is to use the official apps of football leagues or clubs, such as the Premier League app, UEFA TV, or FIFA Plus, which often provide live coverage, highlights, or free streams of certain games. Always make sure you are using legal and official sources to avoid poor quality streams or security risks. Once you have access, simply open the app or website at match time, select the game you want to watch, and enjoy live football right on your device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.